Today we are going to talk about traffic issue in North Arlington. I'm Jian and our group members are Siqi, Shiyu, Chenyang, and Yiran. Well, I live in Crystal City, so I take metro or Uber to school every day. I will never forget the time that I got all wet on my way from metro station to school. Here is a problem. Uber is kind of expensive for a single student, and the price often goes skyrocket when the weather is terrible. Also, you need concern about safety issues in the night. In terms of metro, it takes students from 10 to 20 minutes to get to the stations from home or school. And metro is often under maintenance or delayed. So is there any other more options more affordable and time-saving for students? Here we introduce school bus shuttle customized for GW and JHU-DC students living in North Arlington. The bus will arrive on different apartments in this area at a flexible time every day, and students will no longer worry about how to get to school. In next part, my teammate Siqi will talk about our service in detail.
Our business aims at providing students living in Crystal City, Pentagon City, and Rosslyn with shuttle services to school. Our services include two parts. One is the app, and the other is the shuttle bus. Students of Johns Hopkins University DC campus and George Washington University can register on the app with their student ID, report their living places and class schedule at the beginning of every semester. According to their demand, our app will calculate the best route and time schedule for students and arrange shuttle run. The shuttle bus will stop at nearly every popular apartment to serve students.
So our revenues will come from two parts, including the advertising revenues and also the ticket sales revenues. We estimate that we will get $300 per billboard on each shuttle and the station multiplied by 12 months per year. Also, the 30 billboards we have, we will get 108,000 advertising revenues for the first years. And also for the tickets, we got 4 kinds of tickets, including the single, weekly, monthly, and yearly pass. And we also estimate the customer volume in the target areas from the GW and also the JHU is 5,000. So the approximately revenues for the first year will be around 280,000 to 320,000.
To support our project, we are now in pre-seed funding stage, targeting for $300,000 with 10% equity stake. We will put 30% to design our operating schedule and upgrade our mobile application that can check the registration information. Second, 35% of the capital will be used to purchase shuttle buses, maintain them in good quality, and cover the labor cost of recruiting skilled drivers. Another 35% will be used in business development in the short future, like building a long-term cooperative relationship between different universities and becoming a stable supplier of shuttle service for students. Currently, we are focusing on making a concrete operating plan in specific living zones. In 3 years, we plan to improve our capital structure, integrate resources, and complete Series A financing.
Talking about social impact, there are 3 types of stakeholders here: students, schools, and society. For students, shuttle bus provides them with convenience and also help them keep safe, especially when their classes are in the late evening. For schools, here we mean Johns Hopkins University and the George Washington University. Shuttle bus provide convenience for them, prevent safety problems, and also help these schools to keep a good reputation. And for society, usually 3 or 4 students take an Uber or Lyft car to school. If they take the shuttle bus, there will be less cars on the street. So our program alleviate congested traffic and protect the environment. That's all the content of the social impact and the end of our presentation. Thank you.